Say hello, jobless.
Hello, jobless. Look at those bikers. They are also having fun.
Ooh.
Looks like right up there. Looks like it's gonna rain, or it may be raining. I don't know. Yeah, looks like it's raining. We may see some rain here. I just want to eat something. I don't know.
Oh my god.
Look how beautiful. Yeah,
Look how beautiful it is.
you find it beautiful?
Except
what?
Except all of the other cars.
Look at the guy. He's having fun. Why don't you turn the camera to a selfie mode so that three of us can come?
The selfies are cringy. They make me cringe. You know? Alright.
You don't like to capture yourself.
How do you
use yourself?
Huh?
Oh, you should picturize this thing. You should capture this entire this particular thing.
It's lost the focus. Camera's lost the focus. It's gone blurry now.
Oh, you should film this thing. Look at this. Look at the way how they have chopped the entire mountain to make this.
Turn it low.
And they have put nets to avoid any sort of landslide.